Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to mute conversation on Messenger. So let's dive into our Messenger. You're going to search for your Messenger. Okay, click on your Messenger, and this is your Messenger. Now you're going to choose the person you want to mute your conversation with. So just click on this, the person you want to mute conversation, and this is the person. Now you're going to click on the profile picture of the person, and this is it. These are the options here. Just click on mute, and this is it. What do you want to mute? Is it the message, is it a call, or both the call and the messages? Let me just click on the call and messages, click on OK, and we are asked for how do you want to mute this chat. Is it for 50 minutes, for 1 hour, and until I change it? So once you click on until I changes, you will not be able to receive messages, call from this person until you change it. Or if there's particular time you want, just click on any particular time you want to meet conversation with a particular person. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.